Rather than outline quilt closely spaced shapes individually, continue the quilting line from one shape to the next. For the beads, try quilting a small circle between each printed circle. Working in a figure-8 fashion, quilt half a printed circle, the opposite half of a background circle, half a printed circle, and so on, until returning back to stitch the other halves. I used smoke invisible monofilament thread in a size 7010 Microtex needle and black bottom line polyester thread in the bobbin for outline quilting the beads.